Start off with a quick trade, still pre-market. Trying to get out ahead before the bell rings. Moving pretty quick with some downward momentum. Just kind of analyzing everything right now. Usually I do this before I make my first trade. And look at my top left hand corner, it's pretty obvious downtrend. I hit that. My zone line up there. So I'm just looking for a quick scalp here. And there it is. That's so quick. I decided I gotta get out. Gotta get out quick, because usually after this it bounces right back up. That's an $87 win. Yeah, pre-market, not bad. Jumped right back into another one. Trying to hit that move back down to the bottom of that tail. Not a great strategy. I was just trying to gain a little bit of something before the bell. Because there's also news coming out. So I'm trying to get in and get out before the news hits. Even though it is December. In December, man, the charts are different. Patterns are way different. But still gotta pay the bills, right? I got $37. Hey, not too bad. Still free market. You know, the volume's low. So, in and out. Well, this is still really not my style. I like to go heavy momentum. Scalp. I like to be in and out within like 30, 45 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna go here. I'm trying to do the same thing, just like that a little quick. I like this going against me pretty quick. Not great. Not great. When the news came out, really nothing. Really nothing, but we are approaching. We're coming up on the open here. Look, that was a big bull candle, followed by this candle. So in this moment, that's more than 50%. And I'm thinking we can reversal attempt this flip. So, still in. But very quickly, this is going the wrong way. And guess what? Trying to get out before the bell. Not looking good. Looking good. And here is going to be an example of why you want to be out before the bell. Because here is the open. It's been on a downtrend this whole time, and then boom. Look at this candle. Ooh, that's why you have stop losses. Because if you don't, and you're short, you're screwed. But okay. So my next trade is going to be something I don't recommend doing, but I have some success with it. Once this candle wicks up all the way, I'm almost certain it's going to come back up, at least for a little bit. So I'm going to try to get in a quick scalp down, back a little bit. Yeah, lost 187. Not great. Not great. There we go. I'm trying to ride back down a little bit. Very quick scalp because I'm now in the wrong direction. I'm shorting after this huge bull candle. 75. Hey, Not bad, I got some of my money back. Some of my money back. $75 win. This is already 4 trades and the market just opened. But here we go again, back in, but this time long, trying to go with the trail. Because remember, it is not a flip. But quick put away now. Right back to it again. I'm doing another one, it's about the same. Seems the same terrain, I believe. I'm gonna take a bite of that close of the opening candle. Boom, I'm in. Not much. But hey. What does it mean? Back in again. It's terrible trading. It's terrible. Let's see, it's still a little wicky. I was wanting to pull back, but normally try to go with the momentum here. It's not very good. So I'm gonna lock in. And so I'm locking 100 throws, otherwise. 112. Alright, so now we're back in decent shape to pretty much start over. Kind of zoomed out, looking at the big picture, trying to see where this is going to reverse out. And I'm trying to go with the middle here. Because it did pass that resistance line, so I'm hoping it's going to be used as support. That's why my stop loss is right there. And then there's another quick close out. These small wins add up. You gotta think about it. This is just one contract. So for scalability, if you have a $50 win, then you scale up to 2 contracts, that's a $100 win. So if you can nail down these small wins consistently, you can nail down a solid paycheck. This one, this one. Well done. There we go. Just too many trades. Just too many trades. This is by far the worst trading day in a long time. Breaking all the rules. What's going on, man? The family's home. Christmas break. What's going on, man? Sometimes you just shouldn't drink. Even though it's looking like that. How far is it going to go? What's that? Is this just a pullback? Or has the market flipped? Market review program thinks that it is flipped. So I'll start a stall and I'll take it out. Because I just had $250 loss. Got it. Okay. Alright. So we're looking to get back in long. Where we are in. Let's stop that because I'm really unsure if this is part of the pullback that's going to go back up. At this point, it's not the easiest to tell. I'm sure we look back at this chart and really looking at this is obvious, and it probably will be, but in the time, it is not. So I got tired of letting that ride. It's not moving fast enough for me, so I got out 50 bucks. So what's that put us at? Look, I'm moving right back in. Here we go again. Right back in. So I'm immediately draw down. But at this point, I'm feeling pretty solid. I'm just gonna go at least back up to that last candle high. At least retest that zone line right there. Something that I gotta have another real quick scalp. Will we get it? Like I'm moving because of how long it takes. I don't like staying in trades very long, so because of how long it takes, I'm looking to get out. I don't like being in it for any length of time, honestly. There we go. There we go. We're looking like boom. So $205. $50 in. So if strung together 4 winning trades, boom, over.